Now the next subtopic is maintenance of capital account. There are the two different ways through which the capital account can be maintained or capital account can be operated. This information must be given in the partnership deed, whether the partners are going to maintain the capital account on which basis. There are the two bases. Maintenance of partners capital account. There are two bases of maintaining partners capital account. One is fixed capital method and another method is called fluctuating capital method. So there are the two ways to maintain the capital. One is called fixed capital method, another is called fluctuating capital method. Under the fixed capital method, two accounts will be operated. One is partners capital account, another is partners current account. But when we are maintaining the capital as per fluctuating capital method, then only one capital account will be operated, that is partners capital account. So once again, maintenance of partners capital account. There are the two methods through which the partners capital can be maintained. One method is called fixed capital method. Another method is called fluctuating capital method. In fixed capital method, there are the two account will be operated. Two account will be operated separately. Fixed partners capital account and partners current account. Two account will be operated separately. But in fluctuating capital method, only one account will be operated, that is partners capital account. Okay, partners capital account. Now come to the partners capital account under the fixed capital method. Under the fixed capital method, in partners capital account, the three items will be entered: opening balance of capital, opening balance of capital, additional capital, and capital withdrawn. Capital withdrawn. Withdrawn means capital reduction. You may say that it is a capital reduction. Capital reduction. So when the capital is fixed, under the fixed capital method, when we are going to operate the partners capital account, first will be the opening capital balance. If the business is carry on from the last previous year or so many years, so opening balance of capital will be brought down. This is the opening capital balance. If the business start this year, then whatever the cash given by the partner, as capital. It may be in cash or it may be in kind. So it may be in cash or it may be in kind. Whatever the amount given by the partner as a capital will be taken in, will be the first item. If the business start this year, and if the business is carry on from the previous year, then we opening balance of capital. So either of the one, opening balance of capital, if the business is carry on from the last year, then opening balance of capital. If the business start this year, then capital given by the partner, or capital, you can say capital introduced by the partner. The better word is capital introduced. Capital introduced by partners. So opening balance of capital if the business carry on from the last so many years. So this year we have brought down the capital from the last year's capital, we have brought down to this year, or if the business has started this year, then capital introduced by the partner. Second one is additional capital if the partner has given any additional capital to the firm apart from this capital during the year. This is for the capital withdrawn, or you may say it is a capital reduction. Capital is reduced by the partner, capital is withdrawn from the partnership firm by the partner during the year. These three items will be reflected, and balance CD, balance carried down at the last, balance carried down. This will be transferred to the next financial year. When the capital is fixed, opening capital balance or capital introduced by the partner, additional capital or capital withdrawn, that is also called capital reduction, and finally balance CD. So capital balance, when the capital is fixed, capital balance of partner's capital account always be the credit balance. It never be the debit balance. Always the capital balance will always be the credit balance. It never be the debit balance. It may be no balance, or if there is a balance, always be the credit balance. It never be the debit balance. So this is related to partner's capital account. Now coming to the next, this account, partner's current account. Under this account, opening balance of current account, opening balance of current account. This balance may be the debit balance or may be the credit balance. The opening balance of partner's current account, it may be a debit balance or it may be a credit balance. Interest on capital, interest on capital, partner's salary, partner's salary, partner's commission, profit and loss appropriation account, creation account, drawing, interest on drawings, interest on drawings, or it may be profit and loss account in case of loss, in case of loss. So current account start with the opening balance of current account. The balance may be debit or balance may be credit. Interest on capital, partner's salary, partner's commission, profit and loss appropriation account, that is division of profit, drawings in the debit side, interest on drawing in the debit side, and profit and loss account in case of loss in the debit side. This will be in the credit side, posted in the credit. This will be posted in the credit. This will be posted in the credit. This will be posted in the credit. Drawing will be posted in the debit side. Interest on drawing will be in the debit side, and this loss will be in the debit side. And finally, we'll find out the balance of current account. The current account balance may be debit balance or may be the credit balance. So when the capital account is fixed, we will operate the two account, capital account and partner's current account. As I said, in the capital account, opening balance of capital, and if the business is started this year, then the whatever the amount given by the partner to start the business, that we will write. Second, additional capital or further capital given by the partner will transfer to this account. Capital withdrawn by the partner, which is also known as capital reduction, will be transferred to this account, and closing balance of capital. This capital account balance will always be the credit balance, but the current account balance may be the debit balance or maybe the credit balance. In current account, partner's current account, start with the opening balance of current account. If the business is carry on from the last year or last to last year, then start with the opening balance of current account. If the business has started this year, then this balance, you will not get this balance. If the business has started this year, then this balance will not be there. So interest on capital, next item will be interest on capital will be credited to that account. Partner's salary will be credited to that account. Partner's commission, profit and loss appropriation, drawing will be debited to that account. Interest on drawing will be debited, and profit and loss in case of loss will be debited to that account. And finally, at the end, we'll find out the closing balance of current account. That closing balance may be the debit balance or maybe the credit balance. Okay. If you operate this account under the fluctuating capital method, we are going to operate this account. Only one account will be operated under the fluctuating capital method. Only one account, partner's capital account. Under this account, opening capital balance, opening capital balance. This balance may be the debit balance or it may be the credit balance. Interest on capital, additional capital, your profit and loss appropriation account, partner's salary, partner's commission, these all are in the credit side. Drawings, interest on drawings, or profit and loss account in case of loss. These three items will be in the debit side, posted in the debit side, and these items will be posted in the credit side, of partner's capital account. These items will be posted in the credit side. This may be in the debit side if the capital have a debit balance, debit or credit. Interest on capital in the credit side, additional capital credit side, profit and loss appropriation credit side, partner's salary credit side, partner's commission credit side, drawing in the debit side of the capital account, interest on drawing in the debit side of capital account, and profit and loss account in case of loss in the debit side of profit and loss account. This capital account, partner's capital account, may have the debit balance or may have the credit balance. So what is the difference between these two accounts? Fixed capital method, we will operate two accounts, partner's capital and partner's current. Whereas in fluctuating capital method, only one account will be operated by us, that is partner's capital account. In fixed capital method, we'll write opening balance of capital, additional capital, capital withdrawn from the business, and closing balance of capital. Capital withdrawn, या capital reduction, or you can say capital withdrawn drawn will be posted in the debit side of partners capital account. So here in partners capital account, 4 items will be in partners capital account: opening balance of capital, additional capital, capital withdrawn, and closing balance of capital. This item is now in the partners capital account as well. In partners current account, these items, interest on capital, additional capital, PL appropriation, partners salary, partners commission, and drawing, interest on drawing will be reflected over here. Okay, interest on capital, interest on drawing, partners salary, partners commissions, drawing, profit and loss appropriation account will be in the current account when the capital is fixed, but the same item will be in partners capital account when the capital is fluctuating. In case of fixed capital, partners capital account always be the credit balance, but in case of fluctuating capital, partners capital account may be the debit or may be the credit balance. Maybe the debit or maybe the credit balance. When the capital is fixed and we are going to operate 2 accounts, we will operate 2 accounts. When the capital is fixed, we will operate 2 accounts: partners capital account and partners current account. So as discussed, in partners capital account, you see the format of partners capital account, heading will be partners capital account. I am assuming that there are the three partners. There are 3 partners, A, B and C. So it's a columnar format, columnar form, date, particular, journal folio, and 3 column for the amount, column for A, column for B, and column for C partner. This is the debit side. Now credit side, the same item, date, particular, journal folio, amount for the 3 partner A, B and C. This is for credit side. So in credit side, we will start with the 2019. Suppose our financial year is start from 1st April 2019 to 31st March 2020. This is our financial year. So opening balance, we will write the opening balance this side by balance brought down in the column of the 3 partners. A's capital balance, B's and C capital balance. This balance is brought down from the previous balance, previous year's balance. Previous year means 2018-19 is the previous year. So previous year balance will be brought down over here. If the business exists in the last year as well or last to last year as well. If the business has started this year, then instead of this item, we'll start with the by cash or by bank. By cash or by bank. If the business has started in this financial year, then we will not get this figure. Then we will write over here by cash or by bank, because capital is introduced in this year, because business started this year. Otherwise, if the business exists in the previous year of the last so many years, then the balance will be brought down. 2018-19 balance will be brought down to this financial year. So this will be transferred first in the credit side of partners capital account. Then additional capital, if any partner has given, this is for the previous year balance, brought down to the current year. For additional capital, suppose A and C has given additional capital, then we'll write in the column of A and in the column of C additional capital by cash account or by bank account, by cash or by bank. If the amount is given by check, then by bank account. If it is given by cash, then cash account. This side, if the capital is withdrawn from the business by any partner, capital withdrawn means capital reduction, permanently withdrawal of capital from the firm, which is called capital reduction. If the capital is reduced, suppose A and B has reduced their capital, then we will write like this. In A's column, whatever the amount they have withdrawn from the business, and whatever the amount the B has withdrawn from the business to reduce her capital or his capital. We'll write this here. Now what we do the total of this side, right? We will write the same total over here and find out the balancing figure. So we'll find out the balancing figure. This balancing figure will be brought down in the next financial year, 1st April 2020, 31st March 2021. In this financial year, the first day of in this financial year, that this figure will be brought down. So capital account, partners capital account, when the capital is fixed, only transfer this amount, opening balance of capital, or if the business started this year, then by cash or by bank. For additional capital, for capital reduction, and this is for the balancing figure. When the partner has given additional capital, you know the entry cash account debit or bank account debit to partners capital account. Capital account. So we know the partners. So A's capital account, B's capital account, and C's capital account. For additional capital, when they withdraw the capital from the business, permanently withdraw the capital from the business, then the entry will be, this will transfer this side. Suppose A's capital account debit and B's capital, B, both the partner has withdrawn the capital to cash or to bank for withdrawal of capital. This entry will be done for the withdrawal. This is for additional capital, this is for capital reduction. Suppose opening balance of capital of A is 1 lakh, B 80,000 and C 60,000. This is the opening balance of capital by balance brought down. And for additional capital, suppose A and B has given the, or A and C has given the additional capital, only A and C. Suppose A has given 20,000 additional capital and B has given 30,000 as additional capital. So this is 50,000. So we'll do the posting this side by cash account. In the column of A, 20,000, and in the column of C, it is 30,000. We'll do the posting by cash account or by bank account. In the column of A, 20, in the column of C, 30, because both the partner has given the additional capital. Suppose this partner has withdrawn the capital from the business. A has withdrawn 25,000 and B has withdrawn 10,000 from the business. So total withdrawn is 35. So this entry will be posted this side. In the A column of A, 25. In the column of B, it is 10. Now what we do the total of this side. This side total is 1,20,000. It is 80,000. It is 90,000. Total is 90. So 1,20,000, 80 and 90. Now we'll find out the balancing figure. Here the balancing figure will be 95,000. 95,000. Here the balancing figure is 70,000 and here the balancing figure is 90. This balance will be brought down here 95, 70 and 90,000 respectively. So in partners capital account, when the capital is fixed, these items will only be transferred to their account in the credit and debit side only. And interest on capital, interest on drawing, partner's salary, partner's commission, PL appropriation account, drawings, these items will be shown in the partner's current account.